Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Okay guys, I'm sharing the pepper and bean plant. Making a mess because I was pushing the leaves back. Bean plant leaves got big. A morning glory came, but it went away. Peppers. The bean plant is shooting on up there. It's getting big. I'm doing something. Clusters of leaves right here. Y'all can see that right there. Oh. Bean plant update. Over here is some more peppers. I don't know, it might be tomato, who knows? But I don't know if it's growing. Ooh. Got to be careful. Okay, just a quick update on those bean plants. My lavender still flowering good. I love it. This plant right here curling up. I'm thinking this is a flower. I don't know. Okay, curling up the stick. What y'all think? Does it look like the bean plant leaf? I hope not. I want flowers. I'm supposed to set that big old frog there. I don't know. Well, I'm out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Can you guys see? It look like I'm about to get a pepper. See it right there? We are about to have some food. Growing food in the garden besides plants. Look at that. Voila. This is the bean plant. This is the pepper plant. We'll see what happens in a few. Thanks for your time and support.